Italian citizenship is often passed down through generations by bloodline, or Jure Sanguinis. But if you've been researching how to claim Italian citizenship through your ancestors, you might have come across something called the 1948 rule. In today's video, we'll break down what the 1948 rule is, how it came about, and how it affects people seeking Italian citizenship today. The 1948 rule refers to a legal restriction that impacts how Italian citizenship can be passed down through the maternal line, specifically if your ancestors were Italian citizens before January 1st, 1948. But to understand this rule, we first need to know the history behind it. After Italy became a unified country in 1861, its citizenship laws followed a patriarchal system. At the time, only men could pass on Italian citizenship to their children. A woman's nationality was tied to her husband's, which meant she couldn't pass on her Italian citizenship, even if she was born and raised in Italy. This remained the case until 1948, when Italy adopted a new constitution after World War II. The constitution brought about gender equality, meaning women could now pass on their Italian citizenship to their children. But here's the catch. This change only applied moving forward. If a child was born before January 1st, 1948, Italian law, as it stood back then, would not allow their mother to pass on her citizenship. That's the 1948 rule. This has created a major obstacle for many people today trying to get their Italian citizenship recognized. For instance, imagine your great-grandmother was born in Italy, but her child, your grandparent, was born in the 1930s. Under the old law, your great-grandmother couldn't pass down her citizenship. However, here's the good news. The 1948 rule can be challenged in court. Many descendants of Italian women have successfully fought the 1948 rule in the legal system. They argue that it's unconstitutional to apply the old discriminatory laws today. Italian courts have largely agreed, recognizing their right to Italian citizenship through their female ancestors. But here's the catch. If you're affected by the 1948 rule, you can't just go to the Italian consulate and apply for citizenship. You'll need to go through the Italian courts, with the help of a lawyer specializing in citizenship cases. This process involves gathering all the necessary documents, birth certificates, marriage records, and more, to prove your Italian ancestry. Once your lawyer presents your case, you'll argue that your ancestors' rights were unfairly restricted by the pre-1948 law. Although it takes time, many people have had success. Once the court rules in your favor, you'll officially be recognized as an Italian citizen. And your children and their children will also be able to claim Italian citizenship moving forward. So to recap, the 1948 rule restricts women from passing down citizenship to children born before January 1st, 1948. But if you're affected by this rule, you can challenge it in court and reclaim your Italian citizenship. It's a legal process that has helped thousands of people reconnect with their Italian heritage. If you think you're affected by the 1948 rule, PortaleItaly is here to help. They specialize in guiding applicants through the process, ensuring you have all the documents you need, and helping you present your case in the best way possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on citizenship laws and how you can reclaim your ancestral rights.